Hello, thank you for watching our channel. We recently started a new tank, and today we're making a video on how to test the water of a tank to see if it has cycled or not. First, we are going to test ammonia. So over here we have the two ammonia test solutions from the API freshwater master test kit. I really strongly recommend this as it is quite accurate. So over here in the instructions, it says that you have to fill one of these test tubes with 5 millimeters of water. Then I have to add 8 drops from the first test solution. The dropper bottle must be upside down in a completely vertical position to ensure uniformity of drops, as shown. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next I have to add another 8 drops from test solution 2.
Immediately. And now? Is it?
Once again, I must hold it upside down and completely vertical to ensure uniformity of drops. Finally, I have to cap the test tube and shake vigorously for 5 seconds, then wait for 5 minutes. Alright, now we'll have to wait 5 minutes.
Shall we do the next?
Okay, so now we'll test for nitrite. Over here we have a nitrite test solution. So once again we have another 5 ml of our tank water inside a test tube. We'll add 5 drops of the test solution. Once again, we must hold the bottle upside down in a completely vertical position to assure the uniformity of the drops. Okay. Now, once again, we cap the test tube and shake for 5 seconds, then wait 5 minutes for the color to develop. Finally, we'll test for nitrates. Again, we have a test tube, and we'll add the 10 drops of solution from the nitrates test bottle 1. Then I have to cap the test tube and invert the tube several times to mix the solution. Then I must vigorously shake the test solution 2 for at least 30 seconds.
Huh? This one.
If you want, you may fast forward the video. Alright, it has been shaken for 30 seconds, and now we are going to add 10 drops from this solution too. Now we have to shake vigorously for another 1 minute. Again, you may fast forward the video if you do not wish to see this part.
Pause it. Pause it. Pause the video. You can pause the video.
Continue shaking. "30 seconds more." It's very tiring, but you still have to be patient. About 10 seconds more. Okay, we can stop shaking now, and we must let it wait 10 minutes. We must let it wait 5 minutes for the color to develop.
Result is the next video.
Soon. So now our ammonia test results are almost ready. At the back of the instructions, there will be a sheet to give you the results. Our ammonia result seems to be 0.50 ppm, which is still quite a high level. So we cannot add our fish yet. You should only add fish or shrimps or whatever you are keeping inside your tank if your ammonia and nitrite levels are at 0 ppm and your nitrate levels are below 20 ppm. And it's about time to test a nitrite level. It's also a high level at about 0.25 ppm. Again, you have to wait until 0 ppm. Now we will wait a while more for the nitrate test results.
Will you try? Will you try? Better?
But meanwhile, we will also test the pH. If you are keeping shrimps like we are, you will want the pH at about 7.0, but obviously from 6.5 to 8.0. Now we will test the pH. Again, we have 5 milliliters of tank water that needs to be tested. So we will first we will add 3 drops of the pH test solution. Of course, we have to hold it upside down in a completely vertical position. Then you'll cap the test tube and invert the tube several times to make the solution. Finally, we can quickly read the test results by comparing the color of the solution to the pH color chart, like we have done with the nitrates and the ammonia. The pH is at a good level for keeping shrimps at about 7.2 to 7.6. And it seems that it's almost time to read the nitrates, so we can see the results. Our nitrates level is at about 10 ppm, which is still safe. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and to only introduce fish or shrimp if your ammonia nitrite and if your ammonia and nitrate is at 0 ppm, your pH level is at a desirable range, and your nitrates level is below 20 ppm. Also, there's something we haven't covered in the video. We have the high range pH. That you only use that if you do the pH test and your pH is above 7, is above the 7.6 reading. Then you can do the high range pH test in order to find the correct pH of the water. We will not be doing this, but you can go through the steps to test high range pH. Again, you have to fill another test tube with 5 ml water, and then you have to add 5 drops of the high range pH test solution. Finally, you must cap the test tube and invert the tube several times to make the solution, and you can quickly read the test result by comparing the color of the solution to the high range pH color chart, like we have done with the other tests. Please note that when you are reading the results, it must be in a well-lit area so as not to have the light interfere with the results. Thank you for watching our video, and remember to like and subscribe.